Don't have a big garden? No problem. Today I'll show you 49 amazing shrubs that grow beautifully in containers. Perfect for balconies, patios, or even front doors. These shrubs will give you flowers, fragrance, and greenery without needing too much space. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Hydrangea. Hydrangea shrubs are beloved for their large, showy flower heads in colors like pink, blue, and white, and are known for their adaptability to various garden conditions, though they prefer morning sun and afternoon shade. Number 2. Rhododendron. Rhododendrons typically have large, vibrant flowers that bloom in clusters of various colors, including pink, red, white, purple, and yellow. They can be evergreen, retaining their leaves year round, or deciduous, losing their leaves seasonally. Number 3. Camellia. Camellias are glossy, evergreen shrubs and small trees prized for their vibrant flowers that bloom from late winter to early spring, providing color when other plants are dormant. Number 4. Hibiscus. Hibiscus shrubs are colorful, flowering plants in the mallow family known for their large, showy flowers that can be a single or double and bloom in a variety of colors, though individual blooms are often short lived. Number 5. Azalea. Azaleas are a subgroup of rhododendron shrubs known for their vibrant, showy blooms in various colors that appear in spring or early summer. Number 6. Gardenia. They are prized for their glossy, dark green leaves and intoxicatingly sweet white to yellow funnel shaped flowers. Gardenias require acidic, well-draining soil, consistent moisture, and partial to full sun, ideally with afternoon shade. Number 7. Bougainvillea. Bougainvillea main speciality is its incredibly showy, vibrant, papery-looking bracts that surround the small, inconspicuous true flowers, creating a spectacular display of color that can be pink, red, purple, orange, or other hues. Number 8. Butterfly bush. The fragrant flowers of Badalja are a favorite nectar source for butterflies. These undemanding, mainly deciduous shrubs deserve a place in every garden with their spectacular displays of blooms and honey scent. Number 9. Roses. Miniature and patio roses are compact, smaller versions of traditional roses, ideal for containers or borders in small gardens, with flowers that grow in tight clusters in various colors. Number 10. Fuchsia. Fuchsias typically bloom from late spring all the way to the first frosts of autumn, offering a long season of color and beauty. Number 11. Boxwood. The boxwood was first used in Egypt in 4000 BC. The Egyptians planted the boxwood in their gardens and trimmed them into formal hedges. Other cultures have used it to make woodcuts and precision instruments. Number 12. Dwarf spruce. They are popular as miniature Christmas trees, accents, or for topiary featuring soft, dense green needles and a naturally symmetrical form. Number 13. Juniper. Juniper shrubs are slow-growing, fragrant, evergreen conifers from the cypress family. Juniper is known for their diverse forms from low-spreading ground covers to small trees. Number 14. Holly. Holly shrubs belonging to the Ilex genus are popular evergreen or deciduous plants known for their glossy, often spiny leaves and colorful berries that provide winter wildlife food and holiday decoration. Number 15. Dwarf pine. Dwarf pine shrubs are compact, slow growing evergreens that are hardy and provide year round color to gardens. Number 16. Pears. Pears javanica is a broadleaf evergreen shrub that typically matures to 9 to 12 tall with a dense upright habit. It features drooping clusters of lily of the valley like flowers in early spring. Number 17. Euonymus. Euonymus or spindle shrubs are versatile and hardy plants known for their varied foliage, including glossy green, variegated, or bright autumn colors, and can be grown as ground covers, hedges, or ornamental shrubs. 18. Mexican orange blossom. Mexican orange blossom is a popular, easy to grow evergreen shrub native to Mexico, known for its glossy, aromatic foliage and fragrant, star shaped white flowers that bloom primarily in spring. 19. Skimmia. Slow growing, rounded shrubs with leathery pointed oval shaped leaves. The fragrant white or greenish flowers in lilac like clusters are born in spring. Female and hermaphrodite forms produce red or occasionally white or black persistent autumn berries. 20. Daphne. Daphnes are shrubs with highly fragrant flowers. They bloom at various times of year depending on the species. Most are evergreen, keeping their leaves all year or semi evergreen, losing some of their leaves over winter, especially in cold locations. 21. Heuchera, also known as coral bells. Heuchera or coral bells are low maintenance perennial plants celebrated for their colorful evergreen foliage, which comes in a spectrum of colors like deep purple, lime green, bronze, and silver. 22. Dwarf lavender. Dwarf lavender shrubs are compact, slow growing varieties of English lavender that are ideal for small gardens, borders, rockeries, containers, and pathways. 23. Cotton lavender. Cotton lavender or Centolina is a compact, hardy evergreen shrub known for its aromatic gray-white foliage and yellow button-like flowers that appear in summer. It's an excellent choice for sunny, well drained locations, thriving in hot, dry conditions and resistant to deer and rabbits. 24. Spirea. Spirea is a diverse group of hardy deciduous shrubs known for their prolific, delicate flowers, which can be white, pink, or purple, and their colorful foliage, especially in fall. 25. Barberry. Barberry shrubs or thorny, deciduous, or evergreen plants known for their colorful foliage, edible berries, and attractive yellow flowers. 26. St. John's wort. St. John's wort refers to the plant genus Hypericum, which includes both a traditional herb used for mild depression and anxiety, and ornamental shrubs known for their bright yellow summer flowers and, in some cases, colorful berries. 27. Potentilla. Potentilla shrubs are known as shrubby cinquefoil. These are hardy, easy to grow deciduous shrubs prized for their long lasting five petaled flowers in various colors like yellow, white. pink, and red, which bloom from spring to autumn. 28. Rock rose. Common rock rose is a low growing, creeping, evergreen shrub that likes sunny chalk grassland, cliffs, and rocks. It flowers from June to September and can grow in dense clusters, coloring the gray green landscape bright white, pink, or yellow. 29. Abelia. The funnel-shaped flowers are white to pink and appear in clusters from late spring through fall. The glossy green leaves turn a reddish purple in fall. Glossy Abelia is versatile, easy to grow, tough, and has a very long blooming season. Bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds are attracted to its flowers. 30. Nandina, an evergreen ornamental shrub known for its year-round interest, featuring glossy foliage that changes color with the seasons, from red-tinged new growth to green summer leaves and intense red fall foliage. 31. Lavender. Lavender is a fragrant evergreen perennial shrub from the Lavandula genus, known for its aromatic gray-green foliage and spikes of typically purple flowers. 32. Rosemary. Rosemary is a fragrant evergreen perennial shrub native to the Mediterranean region, known for its needle-like leaves and aromatic woody stems. 33. Thyme. Thyme is a low-growing perennial shrub of the mint family, native to the Mediterranean, known for its aromatic evergreen leaves, small purple or pink flowers, and diverse uses in food, medicine, and cosmetics. 34. Sweet olive. Sweet olive or Osmanthus fragrans is a popular evergreen shrub known for its intensely fragrant small white or yellowish flowers which have a sweet fruity scent reminiscent of peaches and apricots. 35. Mock orange. This is a deciduous shrub known for its fragrant white flowers, often compared to orange blossom, which blooms in late spring and early summer. 36. Sweetbox. Sweetbox is a hardy evergreen shrub known for its dark, glossy foliage and fragrant white flowers that blooms in late winter. 37. Myrtle. Myrtle shrubs refer to two distinct but similarly named plants. The true myrtle is a Mediterranean evergreen shrub with aromatic leaves and fragrant white flowers used in symbolic bouquets and for flowering, and the crepe myrtle, a popular flowering shrub or small tree native to China, known for its large, colorful, crinkled summer flowers, which is a member of a different plant family. 38. Curry plant. The culinary curry tree is an evergreen shrub or small tree grown for its pinnately arranged leaves, prized for their complex, savory, and spicy flavor. The European curry plant is a bushy ornamental plant with a strong curry like fragrance, often grown by home gardeners. 39. Box honeysuckle. This evergreen hedging is ideal for both shaded and sunny spots. Shrubby honeysuckle hedges are useful for its dense, lasting foliage and fast growth rate and makes a great privacy screen and noise muffler. 40. Clerodendron. They are cultivated for their attractive, often fragrant flowers and foliage and are used as ornamental plants in gardens. Many species have traditional medicinal uses and some possess bioactive components. 41. Oleander. Oleander is an evergreen shrub with thick and pointy leaves arranged in pairs or whorls of three along the stem. This fast growing tropical shrub produces cluster of reddish five-petaled flowers at the end of branches and are sweetly scented. 42. Japanese maple. Dwarf Japanese maples are slow-growing, compact shrubs and small trees of the Acer palmatum species, prized for their ornamental foliage in various colors and forms, including finely cut lacy leaves. These are ideal for small gardens, containers, and patios due to their restricted size, reaching a mature height of around 6 to 10 feet, though some varieties can be shorter. 43. Pittosporum golf ball. It is a low maintenance choice that can be used for low hedging, borders, or container planting and rarely requires significant pruning to maintain its steady shape. 44. Strawberry tree. A Mediterranean evergreen shrub or small tree known for its decorative red, strawberry like fruit and white bell shaped flowers, which appear in autumn alongside the fruits from the previous year. 45. Smoke bush. A deciduous shrub or small tree known for its striking smoke like plumes of feathery flower stalks that appear in summer resembling puffs or smoke. These look gorgeous. 46. Wax flower. Known for their prolific star shaped flowers in white, pink, or purple that bloom from winter to spring. These hardy, drought-tolerant evergreens feature fine, needle-like foliage and are popular in flower arrangements for their long-lasting quality. 47. Tea tree. These adaptable plants are used for erosion control, their foliage for repellent oils, and some species for their aromatic leaves and ornamental appeal in gardens. 48. California lilac. These sun loving plants are highly drought tolerant and prefer well drained soil, thriving in lean conditions. They attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. 49. Dogwood shrub. Versatile, deciduous plants known for their ornamental value, offering striking colors in winter and attracting flowers and foliage at other times of the year.